This is My Two Cents with Charles McNamara, looking at some safety news around the world. Enjoy. Hey, Charlie here with another My Two Cents on a really good feel-good story. Most of you guys know I love pets and animals and CPR. Here we go. Woman revives her bearded dragon with CPR. She went to her pool and she found her little guy floating upside down. She immediately jumped into action, started giving him chest compressions and rescue breaths, and before you know it, boom, 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 here you go. Little guy is back to life. Great skill to learn, not just for friends and family, but also for your pets. That's my 2 cents. Learn the skill, it's a great one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.